Hello, Richard Routson here. Got a 91 Porsche Turbo, a little bit of hail damage on it. Let's take a look.
Beautiful car, just one of my absolute favorites. You got the wide body stance, big old wing on the back, black interior, just beautiful. So we've got a couple dents on the roof, one on the sunroof there, metal sunroof, a couple on the hood. So the hood should be fairly straightforward. The challenging part about this job is the roof. So normally, to fix dents, hail dents, we'll take down the headliner. This headliner is leather and it's a little bit older. I've never done it before, but I think it's challenging to take down, and there's always a possibility of tearing it, damaging it, then you'd have to replace it. So for this one, I think I'm gonna try to access those dents through the sunroof, open it up and try to get between that slot there, or possibly do a little bit of glue pulling. Although glue pulling is a risky move because 1991 is when this car was painted, so it's older paint, it's not the best condition. So if I attempt to glue pull, there's always a possibility we could pull a chunk of paint off. And if that happens, that's not good because you'd have to repaint the roof, which is an involved job. You'd have to remove that glass, and it's just not easy. So I'm gonna proceed with caution and try to fix this thing the best way possible. So stay tuned. Okay, so got the sunroof open. What I'm gonna do now is put these wedges in here, create a small gap so I can get between the sunroof and the roof. Got a metal protector board here, felt on one side, tape the edges so I don't scratch this painted sunroof. Slide it in here. So now I've got a little gap that I can fit a tool between and get to the back side of this metal. So slide it in. And I'm on there. I'm right on the back side of this metal, so this is going to be the right way to fix this roof. Okay, all done with the roof, onto the trunk. Couple dents on the hood, so I'm going to get behind those, push them from the underside. On this particular vehicle, there's no insulator pad because there's no motor. So here's a quick tech tip. Wherever you're going to push, you can put this adhesive, this is actually sanding paper, it's called Toll Cut, sticky on one side. So just put it on there, and then when you're pushing, you're not going to scratch the paint. Okay, all done. 91 Turbo. Got a couple dents in the roof. I was able to get tools behind there and push them out. I had one in the sunroof here, and I actually kind of took a calculated risk and glue pulled that. It was a shallow dent, so just did kind of like a wet pull where you don't let the glue dry. You put it on there and then pull it right away. And it's less of a pull, less risk, and turned out well. There's the hood. I was able to get tools behind all of those dents. Came out great. Paintless dent repair, hail damage, 91 Turbo, Porsche. Thanks for watching.